Okay, so for my first project, I'm going to be building a 3D printer, and I started off by doing some research on how I'm going to go about doing this. So I found a YouTube channel called Electronic Grenade. They've actually made a series about this, where they made a 3D printer using CD drives. I also found an Instructables page called Curiosity 3D, where they've done this whole series really detailed about how to do this. So using those two resources as guidance, I figured out what I need to do first is find 3 different CD drives. I need just the mechanism inside, which is used to move the laser, and I can use that as the axis for my 3D printer. Okay, so I found a laptop and I removed the CD drive. Now all I have to do is prepare the CD drive by removing the unnecessary metal. Okay, so this is the CD drive. I'm going to try and get this part. This is the laser for the CD, and normally it moves, shining the laser on different parts of the CD. I'm going to try and extract it for the 3D printer. Useless. Okay, what did I break? Oh, let's take this off. Okay, so here's what I got. So this thing here. Okay, so this is a DC motor, and I'm looking for a stepper motor. So this isn't what I want. So you can see I need to find another one which doesn't have this, instead has a stepper motor. Okay.
I'm pointing it.
Okay. Yeah.
Hey, can you teach me?
Okay, so this is the first test of the stepper motor. You can see it here. I put a black mark on one side so you can see it rotating. There, that's the script. To start it, all I do is I connect power. So there you see it's rotating around. But you can see the steps going up. Okay, so for the past hour I've been trying to get this thing to move forwards and backwards. I've been quite unsuccessful until a few moments ago. So what I was doing was just attaching 2 and seeing whether that would start it. But what this would do would just vibrate. Nothing would actually move. So then I decided to sellotape these in frame, to sellotape these 2 things together, and sellotape these 2 together, and then I attach this one down just for ease. Now, if I put this on, it will move. Just show the code first. So it took some experimenting to do that also. The 20 thing, that means steps per rotation. Now it's 20. I found that from over here on a data log which I found online. So I'll show it. I'll just put it in the tripod. Okay, so that's all. Okay, so I went to the chasserie in Etoile. Unfortunately, I got kicked out because apparently you're not able to take electronic items. You can only leave them. But then I went to Hornbach and I bought all this stuff to help me. So over here, show that. That's these are all precision tool set things. I bought a soldering iron for the soldering I'll have to do, and I bought some electronic solder. Okay, so now I have my first CD drive and I know how to program it. The next step is going to be to obviously find more CD drives, which will require me to find somehow more computers. I'm also going to be using the soldering iron and solder I brought to solder on some wires so I have a permanent connection, so I don't have to use sellotape. Okay, so make sure to subscribe if you want to see next week's video.